So how important is the WPL to help enhance the depth of women's cricket in this country?
See, I think every season we have been giving credit to WPL because no doubt WPL played a very big role to improve women's cricket and even last year जब हम ICC ट्रॉफी जीते तो उसमें भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ था तो this season is also very important and this season we have seen सारी टीमों ने बहुत ही exciting talent pick करा है and hopefully we'll see more competition this season and definitely वो talent Indian cricket को भी help करने वाला है.
Arman, how has life changed for you after winning the World Cup?
Yeah, it's been little more busy because otherwise after every World Cup just sitting home doing nothing but this season it was quite busy. Everybody wanted to know that how this season went and what we were thinking and how did we prepare to win this. So I mean yeah, it was quite busy and really enjoyed this time.
WPL has played across two venues over the years. Do you want to see it being held in home and away format like we have in IPL? And what is the difference between that, if at all, if it happens in the future, and now playing in just two cities?
Well, if you personally ask me, I enjoy one venue because then we don't need to travel a lot because we have been traveling all the time. So yeah, because then you get used to the conditions. You can plan better. But if we get opportunity in the future doing home and away, that is also great. But right now, I think I'm enjoying because we're having most of our games in Mumbai because as you know, Mumbai is one of my favorite city and yeah, I mean it's great that most of the time we got the opportunity to play in Mumbai.
I think definitely these things will be in future we can see more home and away game in WPL also. But at this moment, I think two cities is a good option and let them settle down in these two cities. And in future, definitely we can see more home away game. And last year also we played a lot of different cities like Lucknow was involved, Baroda was involved. So probably in future we might see more different venues we are going to play in WPL.
Have you given a thought on in the last few months as to what sort of legacy, what sort of example you are going to leave as a captain?
See, I always believe wherever I go, I want to see that people only think about how we can win because participation we have been doing for so many years. I think that doesn't change anything. But if you go with winning mindset and work towards that can bring a lot of things to you and to your country. And so I mean, WPL made a lot of changes in me, especially thinking because before that some limitations were there. But when I came here, worked with MI because I've been winning IPL title for so many years, and that winning mindset came. And when I was sitting with them, they were always thinking about what best we can do to beat any team or to win the title. So I think their thought process completely changed, and wherever I was going, I was only going with that mindset. How I can change the mindset. We can only think about how we can win, and that reflected in last 2 years. And as I mentioned earlier, that this season is also very important, and going with the same mindset, and we will do whatever is possible to win this title. And I think it's a very important season. A lot of exciting cricket is coming up, and going with a fresh mind and positive mindset.
कि वुमेन्स आईपीएल आने के बाद में कितने चेंजेस आए इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं प्रेशर है अब सीनियर्स पे परफॉर्मेंस का, क्योंकि अगर परफॉर्मेंस नहीं करने पे यंगस्टर्स जो है उनकी जगह ले सकते हैं.
देखिए WPL के आने के बाद कंपटीशन यहाँ पर है और प्रेशर तो अगर WPL नहीं भी होता तो भी रहता, क्योंकि अगर आप परफॉर्म करते हो तो ही आप टीम में रहते हो. तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि people are doing well in WPL, that's why you have to do well to secure your place. It's not like that, but it's our responsibility to अच्छा परफॉर्म करें, अपनी कंट्री को जिताएं. बट हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि WPL के आने के बाद मोर प्लेयर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है और मोर कंपटीशन देखने को मिल रहा है. हम जब भी टीम मीटिंग में डिस्कशंस करते हैं तो वहाँ पर डिस्कशन करने के लिए मोर प्लेयर्स हैं, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि क्योंकि 4-5 years बैक एक 20-25 लड़कियों का एक ग्रुप होता था, उसके बीच में ही रोटेशन होती थी, लेकिन नाउ वी हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू हैव. और प्रेशर तो नहीं है, बिकॉज वन थिंग इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन दैट if you do well, then only you can continue to play. Otherwise, जैसे आपको पता है अभी बाकी के प्लेयर्स हैं आपकी प्लेस लेने के लिए, बट इट्स नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज WPL के आने के बाद हम लोगों को कोई भी इनसिक्योरिटी फील हो रही है. We are happy that this tournament is here and we're getting more talent from there.
My question is about Kamalini, obviously one of the 5 players retained, and we also recently India Cup as well. Can you tell us about what she brings to the side, not just based on her skill sets, but also her personality, and what role she's expected to play in the MI batting order?
Yeah, Kamalini is very exciting talent. We have seen she's been playing fearless cricket in under-19 World Cup, and that was the reason last season we were very excited to pick her in our squad, and this season the biggest reason we wanted her to retain because she's someone who can bat up and she's someone who can keep, and I think she's someone who is filling a lot of spot in her team. So I mean this season we are really looking forward, because last season I know she was batting down and she always wanted to bat and always wanted to contribute for the team, but unfortunately she didn't get that much opportunity. But this season she will get something very special, and I'm sure she's going to enjoy this, and she's going to be one of our main players who is going to contribute for the team.